Let me show you all of the buttons controls on JBL Tune 720. So you can find all of the buttons on the right ear cup, and the first one right here is a power button, which allows you to power on or off your device, and you can also use it to enter pairing mode. To enter a pairing mode, you will need to click and hold it when your device are off for around 5 seconds until the LED lamp right here starts blinking with the blue light. So let me demonstrate you all of the three options. So now we're going to power off our device by holding the button for a few seconds.
Power off.
Then we can power it on again by holding it for a few seconds.
Power on.
And then we can also enter a pairing mode by turning off our device again. And then holding this button for longer than 5 seconds.
Power on. Connected. Pairing.
Yeah. Now the next thing is volume down, your middle button, and volume up. You can use volume down to skip to the previous track if you're playing multimedia. Hold it for around 5 seconds and it should skip. You can also use a single click to decrease the volume. Then in the middle button you can use multiple different things. You can play or pause a playback of any song. You can also call out your digital assistant by holding this middle button for around 5 seconds. And there's also options for calls. So if you're in a call, then you can click and hold it to mute the microphone, or click one time to answer or decline a call. And that is the thing for this button. Next is a volume up button, and you can use it to skip to the next track if you hold it for 5 seconds, or if you click once, you'll be able to manage a volume. And the last thing is to factory reset your headphones. You can do it by clicking on both volume down and volume up button for around 5 seconds, which will turn off your device and reset it to factory settings.